Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Ti-30xa is on and cleared. Press on then C to remove old data. Now locate the log key, this is base 10. Enter the number you want the logarithm for example 1000, type 1000. Once done, confirm the digits on the display because the calculator evaluates what's visible. Make sure the number is positive, since logarithms of 0 or negatives aren't defined on this model. After typing your number, press the log key to compute the base 10 logarithm. For 1000 you'll see 3. Once done, interpret that result as the power of 10 giving the input. If your value was in scientific notation, read the mantissa and exponent together. Make sure to use the second key only when the calculator indicates alternate functions. For other bases, you'll manually convert using change of base formula, entering log number divided by log base. To finish, press clear and run a quick test with a known value like 10 to confirm the log key returns 1. If you see an error or nothing displays, check that your input wasn't 0 or negative and verify battery power. Weak batteries cause blank or incorrect outputs. Once done, try a battery pull reset if the unit freezes, then re-enter the number and press log again. If problems persist, use contact cleaning on the keypad and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.